Hello everyone and warm welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to bring you this simple recipe. It's so simple, you will love it. We're going to be making orange, lime and lemon mojito mocktail, right? I left the lemon out, but trust me, there's lemon inside, okay? This is very simple, but it is so delicious, so good. So these holidays, Charlie, add it to your menu. Let's get to it. So this is just a simple putting things together, okay? So I have one lemon, right? Then 2 limes, okay? I just cut them into wedges, right? A bunch of mint leaves. Push it in there and then you add your oranges, okay? So I use 2 oranges. One, I cut them into wedges and then the other, I slice them for like garnishing or things like that, okay? So you need your cocktail muddler or anything just to... So as the name goes, muddler. Okay, so muddle it up, muddles. Press it down, push it down, and then, get some of the juices out, right? Then we add a ton of ice, a lot of ice, Charlie. The colder, the better. You need to cool your heart, okay? So then goes in your rose syrup, okay? Don't worry, I'll leave you hanging. I'll show you how to make it. So for the rose syrup, this is how you make it, okay? 1 cup of sugar. This is ground sugar, okay? Granulated sugar. Put it in a blender. It looks like that. I used it for something and I needed to use. I had to use it for this, okay? So yeah, you add a cup of water. I use boiling water because I wanted this to melt quicker and start boiling quicker because, Charlie, time no day, right? So once all the sugar is dissolved, you let it, but leave it to simmer. Let it simmer for like 8 to 10 minutes. But the one way you know that this is ready, you see that the water will start splattering, okay, against the saucepan. You see that it splatters and it sticks there. Then you know that, yeah, it's ready, okay? So at this stage, you turn off the heat, right? And then you add some red food coloring, right? So I'm going to add 2 quarter teaspoons or 1 quarter teaspoon and a little bit more than the quarter teaspoon, just a cry. Okay, you add it to it, or you add as much as to get the color that you want. You stir it in, then you pop the heat back on. You let it boil for just a minute and then you turn it off. Let it cool completely and you've got your rose syrup. Simple, and almost say easy, and you can just do any color for your drinks. It's amazing, right? So that is our rose syrup done. So now we add our orange juice. We went for a commercial break to make rose syrup, and then you add your Sprite. Okay, so depending on the size of your jug, you can just adjust it to your preference, right? And here I'm adding chunks of orange. Okay, this is like garnishing or something. But Charlie, this thing it is nice, sweet, refreshing. You will love this mojito cocktail, right? So this Christmas, these holidays, you can add it to your meals. Add it to your meals. I hope you really did enjoy this simple recipe. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the very next one. Bye.